Good morning, back out for another duck hunt. Got my buddy Chris out here with me, and we have 3 dozen decoys, 12 coots, 2 dozen teal, and then 2 spinners, a pulsator, and we got the animator on one of them for some motion. It is pretty still, super heavy dew, and hardly any wind, a little bit of fog kind of rolling in, so we'll see what happens. Had some big ducks just fly over, but who knows what'll happen. One duck and it'll be a great day. Right, that is time. Seen a couple teal, and that's about it. Starting to get a little bit breath of wind kick up at her back. Supposed to continue whipping up, and then is that a teal or a dove? I think that was a dove. Supposed to shift throughout the day, but hopefully it whips up here soon. Here's a little better look at our spread. Like I said, 3 dozen decoys, teal and coots. Got 2 spinners, got the animator on there for some motion, got the pulsator out here for additional motion, and we're just set up here in this Phragmites, which is good cover, but here it is an invasive plant, so be sure not to brush your A-frames in with it. Something to keep in mind. We'll just leave them. By the time, if we walked over there, more will come. Holy cow, they just zipped down. I think they were flying so low they just didn't see us in time to really sit down, but they might pop back up. And oh, right out front, right out front, right out front. There's like 10 of them. It's up to you. If you want to go, you can go, or if you want to stay here in case something else. Okay. Little unconventional, but we had a couple groups of teal come, and had a group of 4 land here and another bigger group land over there. And they were kind of just hanging out. Oh, there's one. So I'll hurry up and grab these. So I just kind of walked and snuck over and got 2. Grab the wad. That's not my wad, but we'll grab it regardless. There's my wad. Well, here it comes. I don't know if it's a teal. Oh yeah, that's a teal. Shoot it.
Hey. Hey.
Is it? I got 1. You tripled? Nice. I just had this 1 flushing shot, but dude, that's awesome.
Hey, do stuff.
Nice old greens. Nice work. There we go.
Well, made up for that missed water spot, I guess.
Dang, that was pretty.
Yeah, that was nice.
A little after sunrise, and 6 teal down so far. I don't care if we shoot another one. That was awesome.
That was worth the trip right there.
That was a teal.
That was a teal.
I thought he was just gonna dump right in. Yeah, a single. I mean, he was.
Oh yeah. Well, I saw your eyes like.
Well, I saw him. He was high, and then he just drops in. I'm like, okay, he's gonna turn and sharp hook and drop right here, and just kept going. He might get up and zip over. Who knows? Keel deer are talking up a storm right now. And calling that a day, ended with 6 teal total. I shot 2 blue wings, 1 green wing. Chris got 3 green wings, and not a ton of birds around. It was kind of slow. Nonetheless, though, some pretty good shooting. Chris got a triple. I shot a double. I didn't miss a shot. Shot 100%. So good day. Probably an end to teal season for me as well. So we got 3 and 3, and now the wait to big duck begins. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.